And the Defence Ministry today announced that the Defence Acquisition Committee has decided to speed up the process of acquiring weapons systems for the Indian Armed Forces. The announcement comes at a time when the induction of new systems for the forces can take up to a decade. The Defence Ministry today has gone ahead and made that announcement. Vishnu Shom is joining us live. Vishnu, what is the significance of this move?
Well, Maria, when I started almost 30 years ago as a journalist, there was talk of the Indian Air Force, for example, acquiring an MRCA or medium-range combat aircraft. Several years later, that became the MMRCA deal. Several years later, that got scrapped and India eventually acquired the Rafale aircraft. More than 15 odd years had passed. This is one example of how our process of acquiring weaponry is infamously slow. In an important statement today, besides announcing an acceptance of necessity worth 54,000 crores for several weapon systems all made in India, the government has said, the Defence Ministry has said, that they're going to speed up the process drastically of acquiring weapons for the Indian Armed Forces. Remember, between an acceptance of necessity to the Cabinet Committee on Security meeting, to a contract being signed, to the actual manufacture, and then the induction several years takes place. Now, we need to make that system much, much faster. Why? Because we face concerted threats, not just from China, but also from Pakistan.